This is a sound clip of a 2005 6.0 Ford Powerstroke with the 2003 turbine in it, and then the compressor wheel, we did the 6.0 Powermax compressor wheel upgrade, which is a GT4088R compressor wheel, 63.5 by 88 by 94. Some people think that the turbine's just too loud for the 10 blade, so I made this sound clip so you could get an idea of if it would be too loud for your taste. For my opinions, if the turbo is too loud, I just think that the truck and the engine is just loud in general. The least concern I have is really about the turbo. I've never ridden in a 6.0 before, but I do have a 7.3, and I can tell you that in my opinion the turbo is not really near as loud as the engine is. But maybe that's because I have the van style and the engine is much closer to the driver than it is on the truck. Hopefully you get a better idea of whether or not this 6.0 Powerstroke turbo upgrade is right for you. If the 10 blade turbine is too loud for your taste, you do have the alternative to just going with the original 13 blade turbine. Now there's two variations of the 13 blade, so if you're going to pick one, you may as well go with the 66.6 millimeter 10 blade turbine, because that one's the larger one of the two. There is a 64 millimeter 10 blade or 13 blade turbine, and that one was on the latest Powerstrokes. So that was on the 2005.5 to 2007 models. The turbine to get if you want the larger 13 blade would be from the 2004 to 2005.5 turbo. Keep in mind there's half years in there. Early 2004s had the 2003 turbo still, and late model 2005s had the later model turbo, which had the smaller 64 millimeter turbine. After seeing this video, I hope you can make an educated decision if you should go with the 10 blade or the 13 blade when you do the Powermax upgrade on your 6.0 Powerstroke. Thanks for watching, and please watch some of my other videos if you're interested in these kinds of topics. We also sell this turbo, so I'll leave links in the description box to this turbo that we have completely built, and also we have other options. So if you want to do one with a 13 blade, we can do that. We also have options for you just to buy all the parts and build the turbo yourself. But if you do go with that 10 blade turbine, even in the 2004 to 2007 models, you will have to have the turbine housing machined, which we do offer as a service if you need us to do that. If you need any or have any questions or need any customer service done, you can always email us at turbolabamerica@gmail.com.